in a whole year as you prepare for your birthday.
Jood bura mawuok kaontis ma okwako dwaroni piny owacho chenro mar chwalo chiemb kony mareso ji makalo midhiero mar oro. Jotelo go wacho ni oro medo hinyo oganda kod kech gi nok mar pi.
We want to ensure that the amount appropriated by and approved by the cabinet and USAID reaches the most vulnerable, and that will be our work as members of parliament. We are going to ensure that we get to the bottom of it so that money doesn't go anywhere else. It doesn't just stay in Nairobi or in the headquarters because of bureaucracies.
We, as representatives of the people, we shall not do any more other work until we make sure that these monies has reached, these responses has reached our people. We may not even go to parliament. We shall go to the ground. We shall follow up this money.
In fact, in most of our areas now, poverty level has gone high and people cannot do their businesses anymore. And so ours is just to urge the people to be their brother's keeper.
Ningetarajia na sote hapa tunatarajia tusikie, tuache siasa kando. Sasa hii tusikie watu wote wanazungumzia kuhusu drought. Hizi shida nyingi tumesikia za kelele nyingi za siasa. Sisi tunataka kusikia mwanasiasa yule atatugusa roho yetu ni azungumzie kuhusu mifugo, kuhusu drought.